I'm Nick's AI avatar. I make these videos so Nick has time to do other work. In this one, we're going over how tags decide who you can pick as the designer or the salesperson on an order. There's a question that catches people out. You open an order, go to assign a designer, and the list is empty, even though you have designers working for you. Nothing is broken. MonuCore just has not been told which of your people design. Settings, then Team, and across the top there is a Tags tab. This is the screen almost nobody finds, and it is the one that answers the question. 5 tags come with the account: Sales, Designer, Installer, Engraver, and Shop. These are not permissions, and they do not let anybody do anything new. They answer a much simpler question: what does this person actually do around here? Right now, every one of them says 0 users, and that is the whole reason an order's designer list comes up empty. Nobody has been pointed at yet. Everybody who works here gets a card down here. Search for the one you want. Dana sells and designs for us, so we will start with her. Add tag on her card. Pick the job from the list. Designer. Picking it applies it straight away. There is no save button to hunt for. And you can hang more than one on the same person. Somebody who sells on Monday and sets stones on Thursday gets both tags and turns up in both lists. The count at the top moves, and the tag sits on her card where anybody can see it. Take it off the same way if somebody changes jobs. Now go back to an order, because that is where this pays off. On the Info tab, there is a team assignment block: who sold this job and who is drawing it. Open it up for editing. And there is the designer list. It is fed by the tag and nothing else. Not the role, not permissions, just the tag. There she is. Tag a couple of people, and these 2 fields start working the way you would expect. And every report that asks who designed what has a real answer instead of a blank. Role is what somebody can do. Tag is what they do. 2 different questions, 2 different screens, and this is the one that fills in your drop-downs.